friends, today I will discuss chapter 2, nutrition in animals. Let's get started. What is nutrition? Nutrition in amoebas, nutrition in hydras, nutrition in anything, nutrition in cow. Okay, you see these pictures, cow cheap food. Okay, so this is the nutrition in a cow. Okay, all the animals including human beings need food for their growth and survival. The food that animals eat contain complex substances that cannot be used by the body to get energy. The food that animals eat contain complex substances that cannot be used by the body to get energy. Okay, you see this picture, cow. Okay, this is a picture of the cow and the cow is chewed food. Okay, the cow is chewing the food and this is the process of the ruminant animal. Cow is a ruminant animal. Digestions in a ruminants. What is a ruminants? They bring back the food later into the mouth and chew it again. These animals are called a ruminant. Okay, there are the 4 types of the stomach in the ruminant animal. Some are 4 components: rumen, reticulum, omasum and the abomasum. There are the 4 types of the stomachs. Okay, in the cow. Okay, the step first. What is the step first in the ruminant animals? Okay, so I describe it. The swallowed food goes to the chamber called the rumen. Okay, they bring back food later into the mouth and chew it again. These animals are called the ruminants, and the process is called in rumination. Okay, clear? And the swallowed food first entered the rumens. The rumen has microorganisms that can break down the swallows. A complex carbohydrate present in the plant. In the first 2 chambers, the rumen and the reticulum, the food is mixed with the saliva and separated into the layers of the solid and the liquid materials. Solids club together to form the curd or the balls. Okay, the curd is brought back from the rumens to the mouth where it is chewed slowly. Okay, this step is very easy to understand. Okay, and the other is separated into the layers of the solid and the liquid materials. Solid clumps together to form the curd or the balls. Okay, and the curd is brought back from the rumen to the mouth where it is chewed slowly by the completely mixing it with the saliva and the further is broken. When the curd is chewed and swallowed again, it enters the omasum where the food is broken down further into the simpler components. The similar components that enters the omasum, digestive juices secreted in this chamber. The food is now fully digested. It is then sent to the small intestine for the absorption. Absorption process, I describe it. Okay, you see whole video. And the leftover undigested food is passed on the large stage intestine from its excreted. Okay, let us describe nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism. It is an aquatic organism that feeds on the macroscopic organism found in the water. When the amoeba sends food in its surroundings, it starts moving in its direction with the help of the finger-like projections of body called pseudopodia. The word pseudo means false and the word podia means feed. Okay, the false feet surround the food particles and engulf it with a drop of the water. The food with a drop of from the food vacuole. Okay, the vacuole stores the food tech in some digested juices are secreted. In the food vacuole where the food is digested, the digested food is absorbed from the vacuole into the body. Okay, you have any question, please comment. Okay, the vacuole with the undigested food then moves towards the edge of the body and the breast open to throw out of the waste. This process of the removing waste from the body is called an egestion. Egestion is a very simple process, clear to understand. Okay, you have any question to please comment and describe it. Okay, it is the definition. Nutrition in hydra. Hydra lives in the freshwater habitats. It has the long flexible tentacles present around its mouth. These tentacles have the special cells called as hydra. Okay, and the sticking cells. This is the very sticking. See this picture. This is very sticking thick cells on this hydra stage. Okay, the tentacles encircle the prey which are the usually smaller present in it. Okay, this is And the other process is nutrition in human being. Nutrition in human beings is the complex process that involve the working together of the different organ and the organ system. See these the pictures. Okay, ingestion. What is the ingestion? The process of the nutrition start with the intake food through the mouth. The process of the taking in the food by the organism called an ingestion. Digestion. The indigested food is swallowed and enter the alimentary canal. Digestion is a mechanical and the chemical breakdown of the food into the simple soluble substances. Okay. Absorption. The digested food is then taken up by the circulatory streams and carried to the cells of the body. This process is called an absorption. Assimilations. The absorbed food is used by the body to generate an energy and the growth. This energy is used to carry out the various activities inside the body and the repairs the warm out the tissues. The undigested food is a waste product and it is removed from the body. The last stage is the process called an egestion. Okay, this video is complete. Thanks.